I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Alam ni Lord lahat ng desires mo, kahit hindi mo sabihin. Bago mo pa hilingin, nakaplano na kung ano yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. Kaya kung sakaling hindi pa ipinagkakaloob, umasa ka pa rin at magtiwala sa Kanya. Hindi mo kailangang madaliin, because what is meant for you will always be yours.
I will stand by you. I will help